First step, just quickly for a few minutes, max 5 to 10 minutes, I'll recap it. The first thing is park document topic. Main objective is generally who will implement this kind of process. This is one kind of process. Who will implement this kind of process. Okay, where they wanted to do double check principle concept. That means what? Okay, each and every document should be reviewed and posted like this double check. So in that case, okay, so all the documents should be parked by one person and should be sent to next level for review purpose and post it. That's why I told you to understand this topic, right? How we do apply the leaves in your organization and how it will be approved by your manager. Understand? Say and okay, try to recall that entire process. The same process instead of leave, put document. Gante. So, for example, Raghu, you have posted, you have parked a document. It will come to my approval. I will review it. I'll post it. If required, I'll post it. I'll cancel it. I can reject it. I can modify it. Any kind of action item, I can take it. Then again, reverse communication will be sent to you. Document has been posted successfully like that. Same way, once leave has been approved, you will get reverse communication, right? Same thing here. Okay, na? Good. Now, okay, so some important points you need to understand. First thing is when you create recurring park document, it doesn't update the accounting balances. Why? It is in park status. So later it can be posted, it can be deleted. Who knows? If it is updated, then it will be a problem, right? Okay, so that's why it doesn't update until it is posted. Okay, it can be posted with single line item. Generally, 2 line items, so you have to post it. But here you can post single line item also if required. It can be deleted later. So now first let me create a park document by using this transaction code quickly. Just 5 minutes. Okay, please concentrate. See here. Okay, this is the transaction code. My company code, okay, document date, posting date. You can enter same date. That's the same regular document. Instead of posting, I'm just going to do park it. Let's quickly observe some expenses. Any account you can enter it. And here 50 and 261 amount star plus enter and simulate it. Because simulation option will not be available. Why? This is not a regular document. So that's why it will not be available. Simulation option will be available only for the documents which are going to be updated in the ledger accounts, ledger balances. So this is not going to be updated. Okay. So that's why click on over button. It will come like this. Create it. Save it. See, here document was posted, parked, not posted. Right? Okay. Once live environment. Once the document was parked, automatically the reverse automatically the communication will be sent to the work item will be sent to the approver to release the document. Okay, so if but the same process I have shown you here manually if you want to send it, but generally not required this live environment. Automatically it will be sent. Okay, once here send, so how we can how the approval can go and see the work items, here remember SAP business workplace. So here we can go and see all the unread items if there are any. Like this. From here you can directly navigate to the document and post it. Okay, fine. So after that, the approval would like to go and see what are the parked documents are there. Go to this document. This is normal document list. If I go to this transaction code now, so here I cannot see those parked documents. What is the document number? You have seen? See? 18, right? Here you can see 18 here. So where is 18 here? 18 okay, is having separate status, parked document status. Here you can see that. FB with. Let's enter it. See, otherwise, if you don't know, go to the list and execute it. I can see document number 18 here. Like this, you can open it if you want. Good. So once it was released from this place, it will be gone to regular document status. So and one more thing. So if I go and check the accounting balances also, the check balances, the document number 18 will not be. You double click anywhere here. So see, 18 is not there. Why? It is not updated. It hasn't updated the ledger balances. Okay, good. So like this, I told you first some points after posting document. Okay. Okay. So I'll execute it. It's not updated. So like this, first I told you to observe some points. The same points. See, it doesn't update the accounting balances. So I created and send short message. I have going to display items, but then after that, let's just declare the ledger balances also. Right? Okay. Now the approval is going to post the document, the parked document. What our document was parked, right? Now it has come for approval, right? So we have to go to this transaction. We have previously. You have to double click on it. If you know the document number, you can enter it. Otherwise, go to the list. See here how to post parked document. Okay, and we execute it. You will see list of parked documents. Double click on it. Okay, if you want to change any fields, if required, you can go to the header details fields and change it. And okay, not required, no need to make anything. And line item level also, if you want to change anything, double click on it. Okay, if it is not required, then simply save it. There's no rule you have to change it, right? Because user has already entered all the details properly. Okay, if everything okay looks good, then simply post it. If I click on this button, it will be posted. This is posted document. This is posted document. Then what will happen? It will be moved from the parked document status to released normal regular document status. If you have doubt, you can go and check FBV3 and go to this and execute it. See, there are no documents. Why? Okay, it is updated to now regular documents. See, regular document list FB03. I can see here document number 18. And one more thing is, here if I go and check my ledger balances, okay, here I can see okay values in this account here. See, document number 18 I can see here. Earlier it was not there, now it is updated. This is what I told you in last session. Okay. And if you want to make any corrections also, you can make it, and the same thing can be displayed. And after that, how to delete it also. Okay, how to delete it, I'll show you. I told you how to delete it, right? But you have to note it down, no? Okay, so if you want, you can write down transaction code FBV0. Okay, I'll show you. There is no any notes how to delete the parked document. Okay, so please concentrate. 1 second. Okay, so that's it. It is. So write down. Okay, how to delete the park document. I already told you and shown you. Okay, now once again, okay, I'm going to give you the notes on this point. So please write down how to delete the park document. Before that, let me create it. Okay, not only here. Okay, we can park a document from the regular transaction F.02 also, general postal. Okay, examples here we can use, but nobody will suggest to use F.02 for to park the document. But the possibility is there. Okay, same regular document instead of posting. Okay, I'm just parking it. That's it. Amount, some amount here, 50, and here account number, amount to star, same text plus, press enter, document, instead of post, you can park. Simple. Like this, we can park it. Document 19 was parked. Example, now I would like to delete this document. So please write it down. How to delete the parked document. Go to transaction code, FBV0, same place. If you want to post, you can post. If you want to delete it, just delete it. That's it. Okay. Write it down. FBV0. Path. Okay, no problem. You can easily identify it. Anyway, the path was already given the notes. Okay, FBV0. If you know the document number, business workplace. Business workplace మీకు TDS లో కవర్ అవుతుంది, TDS టాపిక్. ఓకే, నాట్ అవసరం లేదు. బిజినెస్ ప్లేస్ అంటే ఒక TDS ప్లేస్. ఇట్స్ ప్లేస్ ఒక ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ వి డిడక్ట్ ది TDS. ఆ TDS టాపిక్ లో కవర్ అవుతుంది. నువ్వు ఎందుకు చేంజ్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు నేమ్ ప్లేస్? హౌ టు చేంజ్ ద నేమ్ ఇన్ ది బిజినెస్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్. బిజినెస్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, వన్ సెకండ్. బిజినెస్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్ లో అది ఆటోమేటిక్ యూజర్ నేమ్ అది. ఓకే, యూ క్యాన్ చేంజ్ ఇట్. బిజినెస్ ప్లేస్ అనుకున్నాను. ఒక బిజినెస్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్ మీన్స్ ది వర్క్ ఐటమ్స్, రైట్? సో వర్క్ ఐటమ్స్ ఒక ఆటోమేటిక్ యూజర్ లెవెల్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. అదంతా కూడా బేసిక్ దట్ అండ్ ఆల్ విల్ బి కాన్ఫిగర్డ్ బై ఓకే వర్క్ ఫ్లో కన్సల్టెంట్. ఓకే, టు హూమ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి సెంట్, ఎట్ వాట్ లెవెల్, okay, all the what kind of action item. Okay, all these things are designed by workflow consultants. Correct. So when you open, no, correct, whatever username is there, no, that username will come. Okay, for example, if you don't want to change, okay, if you want to change the name, go to SE01 example. ఆన్లైన్ యాక్సెస్ అయితే నువ్వు చేంజ్ చేసుకోలేవు, నార్మల్ అయితే నువ్వు చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇది ఒక యూజర్ నేమ్ అనుకో. Okay, just enter your username, whatever you have. Example, any username. Maybe my username, let me enter. Okay, you can march. But I don't know whether, okay, this is online access. Okay, whether he will give, one second. The online access is not permission, no other listing లేదు. Okay, no worries, just ఇక్కడ ఎవరు పడతాడు యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని పడితే వాళ్ళు మనకి ఎందుకు ఇస్తారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ నేను యూజర్ నేమ్ ఎంటర్ చేసుకొని చేంజ్కి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఉంటుందో చేంజ్ చేసుకో, సరిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు నీకు వర్క్ ప్లేస్ లో ఇక్కడ ఈ నేమ్ రాకుండా వేరే ఏ నేమ్ తీస్తా ఆ నేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఆ నేమ్ రావడం మనోభావాలు తప్పించి మార్చుకో, అదర్వైజ్ లెట్ ఇట్ బి దేర్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. User creation time, whatever name was entered, the same thing will be updated.
Sir, please share the
Screen not sharing.
Okay, see here. Okay, so write it down how to delete the Park document. Write down. Path you can easily go through it, not an issue. FDV0. Enter document number. So enter company code. Enter company code. Enter document number. Fiscal year. Press enter. Okay. If you want to post, click on post. If you want to delete it now, from menu to menu bar. From menu, document, delete. From menu, document, delete. From menu, document, delete. See, do you want to delete the document? Okay, click on yes for the message. Are you sure? Yes. Click on yes for the message. See now, successfully document was deleted. Click on yes for the message. Click on yes for the message. Now document was deleted. Okay. Now, okay, that's what I'm telling. Okay, wait. Okay, in case if I go to parked document list, there are no any parked document list. See here, there are no any parked documents. If I go to the regular document list, here also I don't have the regular document list. Here also it is not there in the regular document list. Understand? See, this is the running number 18, but here if you see 17. So that means what? Some documents are missing, right? Okay, so 19 is missing here. So in that case, in FB03 itself, if you specify the document number which you are looking for, which was deleted, just enter it. Then you will get here one kind of evidence. Pass this document number, see document status Z. So that means what? Parked document which was deleted. See, initially it was parked, later it is not required, that's why it was deleted. This kind of evidence will be there. We didn't cheat, right? So that means what? So auditors will accept it. That's it. Okay. Good. This is the way we can go and see the deleted document. Okay. No other report. Okay. Na? Good. End to end now you understood how to pass the document and how to get it approved and how to post it. Just one process same. The way of posting your document is same, but here we implemented one kind of process. Okay, to double check point of view. That's it. Next thing is the topic is over, but next I would like to tell you some important points to observe. So here, okay, we covered this point. Okay, whether it's submitted or not, 2 times I have verified it. First, okay, before posting document in park status, I executed this report. Values are not updated. After releasing that, okay, executed accounts balance, so it was updated. Okay, here I shown you how to delete the parked document. Now here, whether it can be posted single document or not. Okay, let me post it. Let me create one parked document with single line item or not. So example, same decode. Okay, I have only expenses details, but I don't have bank details, or maybe I have example. Maybe I have bank details. I have given some amount to my employee. Okay, 1 lakh rupees. Okay, I don't know. Okay, for which expenses he has spent. I didn't receive the full details yet. Then what to do? Until then, I have to park it. And because if I don't know, okay, then it will be a problem. Later I may forget to note down the transaction. That's why time being I can park it. Or maybe I have incomplete information. So I can park it and send it to next level. My boss or maybe next level employee can complete this transaction. See, I have created a parked document. It's single line item. If you want to open, you can just go and parked document list. And go to the list, enter company code and execute it. See here, document number 20 was parked it. It contains only the single line item, that is great. Okay, bank account details. But I don't have complete information for which expenses this amount is spent, or maybe amount might be increased or decreased, who knows. Okay, now I have received full details. Example. In this case, what to do? You can go and complete it, or else you can delete it. So that action item can be performed in this transaction here. Here, I can go and complete it. For example, if this transaction required, I will complete debit expenses account amount. Example, 80,000 rupees, not 1 lakh rupees. Example, assume. Then go on modify here also amount and press enter. Okay, and overview. Okay, see expenses account that are to bank account. Save it. Like this also you can post it, or you can delete it if you feel it doesn't require. Okay, this is the way documents can be, parked documents can be completed or posted or deleted. Okay, boss, I don't want the system to allow to create parked document with single line item or any incomplete information. Example. Okay, please write it down. Enable or disable based on this activity you can understand. Write down. How to enable? By default, okay, it will not allow. So it will allow, or in case if you want to restrict, okay, you can restrict it. Write down. How to enable the system. How to enable the system. How to enable the system to allow to create a park document. How to enable the system to allow to create a park document with a single line item. How to enable the system to allow to create a park document with single line item. Now it is allowing, right? Okay, in case if it was not allowing, or if you don't want to allow, so both can be performed here. Now write down. Go to transaction code FB00. Go to transaction code FB00. Like this. Okay, FB00. Next, here, click on document entry tab. There are tabs. Only tabs are present below. Okay, click on document entry tab. Click on document entry tab. Don't select. Okay, do not select the indicator. Do not select the indicator. Documents must be complete for parking. Documents must be complete for parking. Save it. Save it. Example, say this one. Documents must be complete. Now don't select the checkbox. In case it was selected, don't select it. So you see what does it mean? Documents must be complete for parking. Means, okay, it means Okay, all must be complete. Means we have to have full information to post a document. Okay, in case if I don't select it, if you have incomplete information, or if you have only first line item, you don't have second line item, even debit case not matching also, okay, system will allow you to park it. Okay, if you don't select it, then only it is possible. For example, if I selected the checkbox and save it now, okay, same okay, park document for a single line, try to create it, whether it will accept it or not, it will not accept it. See, W65, same transaction, try to create it with a single line item. Try to park it. See what will say. Check not successful due to document balance. So that means what? Debit is there. Where is great? It is checking here. If I don't select the checkbox, right? Okay, documents must not be complete. That means may not be complete. Okay, it will work out. So example, must be complete, not required. See, save it. In this case, if I go back and create again with a single line item, only see one line item. Okay, I can park it. So, like this. Even if I don't fill the values in mandatory fields also, system will allow me to park it. It must not be complete. Okay, that's the problem. Clear? Hope you understand how to restrict, okay, to create park document with a single line item. Okay, if you want how to enable it. Got it? Good. Okay, by default, system will allow you. In case if you want to restrict, you can stop it by selecting the checkbox. Good. And finally, I showed create. If you want, you can write it down. Write down. Next step. Create a park document with a single line item. If you want, you can create it. Otherwise, just leave it. No problem. Create a park document with a single line item. Create. Okay, let me share my screen. Please wait. Okay. So here, just wait. I'll share. Okay, that's it. Park document topic completed. So what did you observe here? So wherever document requires approval before going to post it, we do park it. Otherwise, we no need to park it. If you park it, so what kind of communication messages will be sent to the approval? All the things you understood, right? Good. Next component is, okay, so not important. Nobody will use it in live environment. Just for your knowledge purpose, I'm okay showing you here. Okay, topic name, whole document to and sample document. There are two documents are there in this running notes. Okay. Okay, whenever you go into this running notes, no, okay, you no need to go through this explanation blindly. Okay, because I do explain in my classroom notes. But why we have to use these notes is sequence of the steps. Okay, and second thing is, okay, what are the steps? Okay, what are the values you're supposed to enter? That's it. But the explanation point of view, always refer my classroom notes. Okay, na? This is your notes. And apart from this, handwriting book is the FI book. That is also good. Okay, you can follow both, any one of them. Here, topic name is whole document. Forget about this documentation. Okay, whatever is explanation is there, I will explain it. So topic name is whole document. What is the purpose of this document is? Okay, it's not there in this list because that's not important. Nobody would use in live environment, but knowledge-wise, entry point of view, if someone asks you, you have to give answer, right? So that's why understand it. Okay, and leave it, no problem. So topic name is whole document. What does that mean is generally where you, first let me explain whole document. It's a temporary document. Whole document in the sense temporary document. Generally, where we do create, for which transactions we do create whole document, where you have incomplete information to post a transaction. Okay, example, you have debit details. You don't have credit line item transactions. Understand? So in such cases, where you have very single analysis, where you have incomplete information to post a transaction, in that case, you can go for this whole document. Whole document is a temporary document. So you don't need to maintain separate number in this. Sorry, you don't need to have the regular number in this. You have to maintain a separate number range. You even know not required to maintain separate number range also. So anything alphanumerical number, you can enter it. Example, see here. Regular transaction. But I don't have complete information to which bank, to which account, all these things. Okay, you can just simply enter some amount. I don't have credit details. I don't have any credit details. I can simply here hold it until I get the full information. Temporary. When I click on whole document, right, it may ask you to allocate one temporary number for time being until you get full information. This is the number. Or maybe you can specify here the text also. Something like this. And click on this is number. Temporary document means alphanumeric number. Click on whole document. Done. Now document something was held. Held. That's it. Okay. So there is no separate report also to see the list. In the same document itself. Document posting itself. There is one button here. Held document. Click on that held document. If you know the document number, specify it. If you don't know the document number, go to the list. Then you can double click on your document number. If you want to, you can delete it. Sorry. If you want to delete, you can delete it. If it's not required, if you feel it's not required, you can delete it. That's it. You can delete it. Then if I go back and again check it next time, I don't have any whole documents or held documents. There are no any documents because I have deleted, not required. Okay. In case if you want to finish the document, complete the document. Okay, very simple. Let me post it. Document date to posting date to. Okay, today's date. I enter some amount and click on. See here how to create whole document. Simple. Instead of post, okay, instead of park, click on hold. That's it. Hold. It's a temporary document. It may ask you to allocate one number, time being. Press enter it. Okay, in case if you want to go and see the list, the same transaction later, go to held document. Okay, and go to the list. If you want to complete it, double click on it. Okay, fine. Now I got the bank details. 50, 201, 601. Press enter it. Amount star, text plus, simulate it. Now save it. Now successful running document number is generated. Earlier, temporary document. Now it is completed. If I go back and check once again the list, there are no any documents. This is called held. Okay, whole document. Why we have to create this whole document? Okay, I had incomplete information to post a transaction. That's why temporary time being purpose I have created it. Okay, what it says? Sir, can we set internal number range for whole document? No more. You are not going to set any numbers also. Observe here. I didn't maintain any numbers for whole documents. Did you observe? It is a temporary document number. మీ ఊరు పేరు కానీ ఓకే మీ గ్రామం మీ జిల్లా పేరు కానీ కూడా ఎంటర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇబ్బంది లేదు. వన్ సెకండ్ చూడు ఇక్కడ whole document and whole document. This is a temporary document. When I am creating a whole document, observe it is not using separate number ranges from anywhere to internal external generated. So numbers say తీసుకోవాలి. నిన్నే అడిగింది temporary document number ఇవ్వమని. Examples. Okay, so temporary document number. So you can enter anything. ఏదో తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఇదే డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్. మరి ఇంటర్నల్ ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వగలను? ఇంటర్నల్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ It's a temporary document number. List చూసుకుని పడితే లిస్ట్ కి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. ఇదే సేమ్ ఇదే దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్లేస్. In the document posting itself, you can see one option, held document. దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి డాక్యుమెంట్ లిస్ట్ చూసుకొని ఒక అవసరం అనుకుంటే పోస్ట్ చేయటం, ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ డిలీట్ ఇట్ అంతే. మళ్ళీ రీఫ్రెష్ చేసుకుంటే యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ద డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్. ఓకేనా? గుడ్. Okay, now you understand what is the use of whole document. Whole document is a temporary document. Okay, if someone asks what is the difference between whole document and park document. Park document is approval document. Regular document where it requires approval, we need to park it. But temporary whole document is a temporary document. Generally, we do create it where you have incomplete information to post transactions. Until you get full information, you can't hold it right without entering the details. You may forget. That's why you can use this concept and create whole documents. Okay, but to enable this whole document in your system, by default, okay, when you try to create whole document, you may get sometimes if it's a new installation in your system, you may get one kind of message, documents are not converted, something like this. So that's why, okay, first you have to enable that functionality by executing this program. Okay, by default ga whole document function, okay, not enable in your system. Okay, you may get one kind of warning message, error messages. So that's why you have to go to this program. Always programs are executed in T code SC38 or T code gateway. Our T code like run their program. Our T code, this is the program name related to whole documents. Then execute it. Okay, execute it. Clock execute. Okay, so here once again execute it. So already see. All held, okay, no conversion okay, necessary because all documents are corrected. The first time I say, okay, the whole document need to be conversion like this, one kind of message will come in my system. This is one time job already executed. So that's why now I'm not getting this message. Maybe you try in your system first time కాబట్టి you may get the top, okay, or you may get that message. Okay, అవసరం లేదు, nobody would use it, but material లో ఉంది. Plus additional entry point of అడుగుతారు కాబట్టి just knowledge wise I have explained this step by step. See, first run the program, then go on to, okay, this is the transaction, then go on to create on the whole document. Okay, the what example, okay, try to post it, delete it, simple concept. Okay na? Done. Okay, nobody would use, but knowledge wise just learn it and leave it, no problem. Any doubt? Ravi, yesterday we were asking, right, what is whole document or not? Hope it is clear. Okay, otherwise let me know. And next component is sample document. Even this is also not required, but it is there in the notes. If you're interested, you can go through my running notes and you can create it. But nobody would create it. But anyway, let me explain this today. So what is sample document? Okay, good. To understand this point, first understand how we do use the templates, message templates in your mobile. For example, okay, if you observe in your mobile, there are some kind of.
According to Wikipedia, Oklahoma is a state in the south central region of the United States.
Okay, see here, sample document means understand how we do use the templates in your mobile. For example, in your mobile, there are some kind of templates are there. Okay, I am in meeting. I am in a meeting. I'll call you later, like this. Okay, I'll be late. So I'm in driving. Like this kind of some templates are there. What is the benefit here of having those templates in your mobile? Jagannath. So if you open your mobile, okay, you have some kind of standard templates are the message. What is the use?
The time we can use as soon as possible. We can reduce the typing. Instead of typing, we can use same thing.
Correct. Time saving, right? Instead of typing. Correct. Okay, but voice is not clear, but I understand what you're trying to say. Okay, see, time saving purpose. So instead of typing, I am late, I will be there by 7 o'clock. And already template is there almost, okay, 90%. Last time, okay, you can mention that. Use that template and mention by 7 p.m. like this, or 7, 8 p.m. like this, right? Same thing here also. instead of message, put document. Understand how we do use templates. Okay, messages, templates. Same way here also, documents. What kind of documents we do frequently post? No. Those transactions you can create as template. As and when you are supposed to post manually, you can use the template and just edit the values and save it quickly. Time saving. Same thing here also. Okay, good. Okay, so if you are interested, you can go through this notes. It is there, sample document concept. Yeah. So then is not only month and project, any kind of transaction you can use this template. Okay, template means okay here we are okay, whatever transactions we do post monthly. No, for those transactions you create one entry. That's it. So when you create sample document, it will not update the ledger balances. Let me check here it is covered or not. I don't think it is added here. Anyway, knowledge wise, if you're interested, okay, you can go through this. Main points are covered here. Okay, write down. I don't think to write down, it's not required. It's okay. Okay, please write down. Topic name, sample document. It is not that much important, but okay. Learn it and leave it. Write down topic name, sample document. Sample document is a template. Sample document is a template which is used as a reference. Post here to post the transactions. Sample document is a template which is used as a reference to post the transactions. Some important points I want you to observe it. First point. Need to maintain a separate document. Need to maintain a separate document number range intervals. Need to maintain a separate document number range intervals. What is the number range key? X2. X2 is the number range key. That's the first point. So why we have to maintain separate number ranges? See, document is not going to be posted, it is going to be stored. Second point. It would not be posted, just stored. Just stored. The document will be stored as template. As and when required, you can use it and post it. For example, see your mobile templates also are sent items. Sending, they are stored separately. As and when required, you will use that template and modify the content and post it, send it. Same way here also. When you create sample document, it will be stored. As and when required, you can use that as a reference. As and when, okay, wherever it's required, edit the values and post it. Amounts, so accounts, so whatever you want. Everything can be changeable here. Okay, because not posted. Next, third point. It can be deleted. It can be deleted. It can be deleted. So it doesn't update account balances also. It doesn't update account balances. It doesn't update account balances, ledger balances. If you create any sample document, right, the amount will not be updated in the ledger balances. Okay, so what else we can understand? Advantage is time saving. Time saving. Advantage is time saving. Second thing, no chance to skip any provision, right? No chance to skip any provision for month-end process, month-end closing activities. Enough. Okay, like this, some points I want you to observe it. So what do you understand? It is a template, okay, which is used as a reference document. We need to maintain separate number ranges. Okay, it will not be posted, it will just store. Okay, we can delete it. When you create sample document, it will not update the ledger balances. What are the major advantages? Time saving purpose. Okay, no chance to skip any kind of process. Okay, step by step it is there in the notes how to create. Okay, how to create sample document. Before going to create sample document, no, first you have to maintain the number ranges for number range. So please write down steps required. The steps one by one first. And to replicate this process in our SAP system, what are the steps we are supposed to do that? Okay, first step is here. Define document number range intervals for number range X2. In bracket you can mention T code, FBNO, T code. This is the first step. Okay. And here, if you observe T code, what is the T code? FBNO. All financial document number ranges are maintained in the same T code, right? You are very familiar, right? Go to the same T code. Now, what is the company code? FP01. Okay, this is change the display the existing interval. This is to change the existing interval. This is to change the running number status. Okay, now which one you want? Change interval. Okay, what is the number range? Go to plus symbol here, insert. What is the number range I told you? X2. Boss, can I give anything? No. Background, okay, at program level, this code was, okay, mentioned as constant value, hard coded. System will always look for the numbers maintained against number range key X2 to create sample documents. Whatever document type you are going to use, system will use always document number range this one. Boss, okay, if I am posting general ledger document SA, this 01 is there. So SA key 01 key mapping is there, then automatic system understand this number. Whenever I'm going to post vendor invoices, 19 is there in the document care. Okay, system will pick up the numbers from here. Fine, I agree with you. But where you are going to map this document? Okay, the number range interval X2? Nowhere. But when you create sample document, there is separate T code is there. By using the transaction code, you always mention number ranges from here itself, hard coded. Okay, so you have to maintain the numbers always against number range key X2 only. No other key it will consider it. 2022. What was 2021? From number to number, next number you can enter anything. 2 lakh to 2 lakh. Maximum 100 or not X some rough. Okay, whatever you want to specify and save it. Now here if you want you can maintain internal external data. But here mostly best practice is always internal. Clear? Like this you have to maintain the number range intervals for number range key X2. X2 is the system standard key. Okay, system will always look for the numbers against this one. Any doubt? Don't unmute. Okay. Tell me, someone was trying to ask question. Banu? Tell me, bro. Any kind of documents. It can be used to create any kind of vendor document to customer documents, any kind of sample document. Okay, system will always look for this number range. Okay, I'll show you how to create sample document now. You can understand whether it can be used for GLs or vendors or customers or anything. Good. That is the first step you have to enable. This activity done by consultant in IM screen. Done. Now user level, see here how the users are going to create the sample document. Next step, please write down. Create a sample document. Create a sample document. Please go to mute if you don't have any doubt. Okay. If you have any mic issue, please post your message in the chat. That's it. Now write down sample document, right? If you are going to post regular transactions, go to this section. If you are going to post reference transactions, go to this section. Okay, I will tell you in next topic what kind of reference documents we have in SAP. So one is sample document, another one is recurring document, account assignment model. So sample document now I am covering. So next tomorrow, okay, I'll cover. Okay, I'll start recurring document. Account assignment model is not required. Nobody will use it. These two things will be covered. Okay, now which one you are going to create? Sample document. So T code F-01. F-01. F.02 regular transaction, and here F.01. Okay. See here, same place. That's why I told you, no, challenges కదా. నీకు ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ చేయటం నీకు తెలిసింది అంటే ఎంటైర్ FI మాడ్యూల్ 70 to 80% డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఎలా పోస్ట్ అవుతాయో ఈజీగా తెలిసిపోతుంది. I already told you, right? Now see sample document. Only process is different, but without even if I explain also, now can't you create sample document here? Same నేను చెప్పాను కదా, టేబుల్స్ వస్తే మ్యాథ్స్ వచ్చినట్టే. అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లెక్కలు వస్తే లెక్కలు వచ్చినట్లే. So it means if you know how to post a document, you can easily understand any kind of process, okay, topics, anything I cover. Now, okay, so this is the first time you are creating sample document, right? Okay, so tell me, Abid, okay, how you can create this sample document? You define any difference here compared to regular document? Document data, portion data, next data, template create just పెట్టుకోండి. Next document type AB, company code. Okay, example here, 40 expenses. Okay, account number. Okay, some expenses, some amount, 41,000. Description for what purpose? Payment for office expenses. Not only 2 line items. If you want, you can create many line items also. Example, again, give one more debit. Okay, to which account you want to give credit? Okay, so debit. Okay, and select here one more debit. For example, interest or wages, rent. For example, okay, rent. Okay, rent. Enter amount 15,000. Okay, description. Rent payment. For the month of. Information తర్వాత fill చేసుకోవచ్చు పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు. Next, one more entry if you want, wages. Anything, any line, anything, you can enter it. Okay, which one? So wages account, yes, go. Enter it. How much amount? 18,000. Okay, description. Payment for wages, expenses for the month of. Okay. And next, finally, you can give credit or outstanding, whatever it is. Example 50, 200, 601 is my bank account. Press enter. I don't know how much debit I entered. Don't worry, just do star. Automatically it will be updated. Plus anything you can enter it. Payments, something like this. So now there is no simulation option here. Why? It is not going to be posted. It is just going to be stored. See, like this, I created here multiple line items, and then simply post it. If I click on post button, that means stored. See, even if I use document of SCA, AB, same thing. 01 kada, it is supposed to use. So 01 means which number range is it supposed to take? Here 1 to 1 lakh lope kada, but here why it is taking 2 lakh series here? Why it is taking a 2 lakh series? 2 lakh to 2 lakh 999. X2. Did I give anything X2? Did I map X2 to any document type? No. So a document and this score. SA, KR, DR, anything you can take it. But system will always look for the numbers against X1, X2. Then this one. Because background program level, it was specified as constant value. That's the rule. Now sample document was created. See, if you observe the message, document was stored, not posted. Both are not same. Understand? Don't do same car. Stored different to posted different. Posted means it will update the ledger balances. Stored means separate ga store. That's why to store. If I use regular document numbers, no. If I store it separately during the auditing time, if you couldn't find those document numbers in the list, then the auditors may ask you, "Bar, where is this document number?" A problem is that regular numbers each year. Okay, system automatically will pick up numbers separately from number in X2. Storing purpose కోసం separate numbers maintain చేసుకోండి. అవి ఉంటే అవే ఉంటాయి. యాదన కూడా we can post it. Okay, next step. అన్ని స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ నీట్గా చూసుకున్న తర్వాత నోట్స్లో అన్ని నీట్గా శాంపుల్ క్రియేషన్ టెంప్లెట్ చెప్పేది జస్ట్ టెంప్లెట్ అంతే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ okay, display. If you want to display the sample document, okay, write down. Next step, display sample document. Display sample document. T code. Same display means same way. Go to display document section and regular documents are barcode documents are no reference document it is. Okay, then go to reference document. Sample recurring now sample. T code change display change delete example display. See FBM. See that's why go through path. You'll understand so many things. See 2 lakh document number you will not find in your regular numbers. See if I go to your regular document list, no FB03, you will not find it here. You will not find the document number because you store in separate place. Documents will be stored in separate place. Here FBM3 store. Go to the list and you can specify your details and execute it. I can see here sample document. I can double click it. If required, I can make changes also here for future reference purpose. Done. Now next step is I want to use this template as a reference and post the regular transactions. Okay. Now in that case, write down next step. Post transactions by using the sample document as a reference. Post transactions, post regular transactions by using the sample document as template. Normal T code F.02. And instead of posting manually, I want to use existing document as a reference and post it. And instead of typing the message, why you are using the template? I am late. I will be there. I am in a meeting. Call you back. Call you later. Why you are going to use that? Time saving. Same thing here also. Okay. Instead of posting the line items again and again manually, where you go into post frequent transaction. No, for those transactions purpose, you can create as template. So now I will show you how to post your regular transaction with reference to template. Same, it is there in the notes, don't worry here. From menu document to post with reference, it is there one by one, don't worry. Here, regular transaction code F.02, right? Just 2 minutes. See, instead of entering again debits, like this, instead of entering again manually, what I wanted to do is I want to use existing document, I mean sample document as a reference. Then go here, see, post with the reference, or menu also here, post with the reference. You can use this or a shortcut button, post with the reference. What does it mean? Not only sample document. Okay, it doesn't mean that sample document only you have to use post reference. You can use regular document also as a reference. For example, see, message is there. Not only template. For example, sent item already there. You can use that sent items message and you can again send, right? Example, for example, already you have sent. I am in a meeting. Call you later. By using the example template. Next time also no need to go to template. Okay, you will sent items means posted document also there. You can use that and copy and again you can paste it and press enter. Okay, message. Same way here also, you can use existing already posted document as a reference and post it. Anything you can do. So don't think always sample document. Okay, you have to use this as post with reference. No, any document can be used as a post with reference. But here for sample document means store అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి జనరల్గా తీసుకో. Which document you are going to use as a reference? 2000. 2 lakh company code, fiscal year. Okay, if you want to make any corrections, accordingly select the check boxes. I don't want to do anything. Then as it is, you have to post it. Press enter. See, example, today's date is 16th. Okay, same. Then don't change. Document actually SCA. Change it. Okay, good. Bill number. I feel it's not easy, right? Enter it. Next. Okay, office expenses. Okay, amount. Okay, this month is example. This month 45,000 rupees. Modify it as and when. Okay, when required, you can modify. Otherwise, just simply post it. And next, what else? Rent fixed. Wages 20,000 rupees this month. Okay, good. And next, total credits. Double click on it and put star. Automatically updated. See, now if I post it, no, regular document will be posted. See, regular document number 23 was posted. Normal. Okay, next time also same. Whenever you want to post any one more document next month or something, again go to post with reference. Use your sample document as a reference and enter it. It is a template. By default, same thing will be copied it as and when required. Okay, you can modify it and press enter it. This month wages are not there. Double click on it. Put 0. Press enter and change the amount, create values, and then you can simulate it. So only you'll see office expenses, rent account to bank account. Save it. 24. If I display document number 24, you see only 3-line item. Wages is not there. How much you want, that much you can use it and leave it. Rest of it. Okay, so to understand this topic, if you are familiar to use templates, message templates in your mobile phone, same concept. How do you use those templates? Okay, here instead of message, put document, create a field document, and execute the same thing. That's it. And finally, if you don't want to, example, you don't want to have this, you want to delete it. Okay, then finally, after using this, if you like to go and delete it, you can go and delete it also. See, this is to change the values, this is to display the sample document, this is to display the changes made in this transaction, and finally deletion. Okay, just 1 minute, run out of how to delete sample document. I told it can be deleted. And one more thing, wait. Okay, document number doesn't update the ledger balances, right? So if you have doubt, you can just go and check your question and ledger balance. And what is your account, wages account, right? Wages account code, exam, anything you can use it, rent account code or anything. Go and check your ledger balances. Example, rent account or wage account, rent account. Execute it. See, I told you, it doesn't update the ledger balances. Double click on it. See, 23. Just now I posted regular document that is updated. 22,000, 2 lakh document number is not updated here, right? 2 lakh document number is not there here. Just a sample. And finally, deletion. Okay, write down, please. And make a notes neatly step by step on it. Go through it. Important call it. Just okay. I'm just giving you some kind of hints how to execute this. Write down how to delete sample document. And after use, you don't want to have this document in the system. You can go and delete it. Here, company code. You don't need to write down company code. Next, what is the document number? 2 lakh. What is the fiscal year? 2021. Sample document type. M means sample document. Okay, example here. Select it. Okay, trial mode means it can be deleted or not. We can see that yes, it can be deleted. 4 line items are there. Remove that and execute it. Assure yes. Done. If I go and check my record, my sample document list now, I will not see any list. No documents. Like this, you can create document as template. Main advantage is time saving purpose. Instead of posting the line items manually, okay, every time where you're supposed to post frequent, such transactions. You can create a template. It will be stored by using the separate number like this. Okay, from X2. Later, you can use the document as a reference and post your regular transactions and change the values accordingly. Okay, if you don't want, finally you can delete it also. That's it. Simple. But some people will use, but most of the people may not use. That's why. Okay, I'm not. Okay. Other steps. Next step is delete it. Delete. Okay, so that's it for today. So hope you understood. Do practice, or if you are interested, okay, do practice on the sample document, whole documents also. Okay, knowledge wise important. Always I would prefer you to go through the notes and execute it. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to cover the most important topic called recurring document. Very important topic. So we'll see tomorrow. Chala.